Oh, so this is my quick demonstration on You Only Look Once version 3. It is a very effective real-time object recognition detection algorithm for both detection in videos and photos. Here we have the classification and confidence. Anything over 25% will be shown, anything less will not be classified. And I'll be using the Alexi AB version of Darknet. So my demonstration begins with the pre-trained data set, and you can review the data along with the sample images that were already in the data folder. So let's start off with I started off with testing the giraffe versus zebra. Given the fact that these two animals are very similar to another, it was fascinating to see that it was able to identify the objects correctly. So we can see here that giraffe was identified with 53 confidence, while zebra was also identified at 53 confidence. Oops. And I also tested out on particular items from the pre-trained dataset, which includes person, skateboard, chair, the items that I highlighted here. So here is, you can see on the left here is a phone with, it's a person identified with 86 confidence microwave. Remote here was not identified, unfortunately, nor the skateboards or the glasses here. This is my little sister. Most of the bigger stuff were identified accurately, but smaller stuff like phone being held or remote might be due to the lighting and how much of it is covered. So my prediction would be that their confidence level is low, relatively lower than 25 confidence. So that is why it might not have shown up. I tried to do a video test of the algorithm, but I was not able to feed it accurately. So here is a video that I fed in to be processed, and I was able to receive it bit by bit. So I missed the first person entering the frame. So it has one person here identified even with just the leg. And as we go further, truck is being identified more specifically, and there it is. And once again, that's in speed. So it's a very interesting frame is when the second person entered. This when the second person entered, it was very similar to the first person, but I believe it's because due to the distance away from the camera that the person identified here, even though it's not only just the leg but also arm, the algorithm only or was 31% confident that this is indeed a person. Whereas when this person entered the frame, it was able to identify it as a person with 78% confidence. That is all my findings.